for these carrot dogs or hot dogs, or they can even be sausages. I've got 4 carrots, and that doesn't quite fit. And we'll see how these, whoops, oh, that worked out well. Don't these look weird?
I think we need our own plates.
That's okay, I can clean up the mess. I think it got food in my hair. Did you? Do I have carrot dog in my hair? So good on the bread. The sauce is amazing on the bread. No, you don't want this bread recipe for this. Just buy one from the store. So, it doesn't taste like a sausage. It tastes like a carrot. But if you put it all together, let's see if I can do it without the stuff falling off. See if I can put my mouth around it. I think it's good. So what grade do you give it? Yeah. Yeah, I think a B is good. Yep, you have the right bun. Put it all together. I think most people would like this. I don't think there's enough calories for a real meal, but we're having it for a snack. So let me think. Let me think. Let me think. Are you gonna make this? Let me know. And more good recipes to come.